Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to increase font size on Messenger. So first of all, just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just start looking for Messenger, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if that Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, as you can see right here, the text on my Messenger is on, the normal text display, right? So if I wanted to change it, just go back to your screen, go ahead to your main settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down till you find the accessibility. Just go ahead right here, and you're gonna see the vision tools, the physical and motor tools, and you're gonna see the last thing, which is the general tools, and you're gonna find the last option, per app setting. So what I'm gonna do in the per app settings, just go ahead and click add app right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add the Messenger app. Let me just try to find it, and basically you'll be able right here, if you click on the Messenger after you add it, you'll be able to edit the text size and display. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.